Which of the following has pp single bond linkage? Means which of the following has pp linkage? Option 1 H4P2O6, option 2 H4P2O7, option 3 HPO3, and option 4 H3PO4. So to find out the compound having pp linkage, we have to draw the structure of all these compounds. So first is H4P2O6. It is hypophosphoric acid. It is a mineral acid. And if it is the structure of hypophosphoric acid, it is pp single bond, then here double bond oxygen, then OH, here OH, and here OH, and here OH. So this is the structure of hypophosphoric acid. Now the second compound is H4P2O7. It is the pyrophosphoric acid, also known as diphosphoric acid. And if we draw the structure of pyrophosphoric acid, it is P single bond O, single bond P, then here double bond O, then here OH, and here OH, and here OH, and here OH. This is the structure of pyrophosphoric acid. The third one is HPO3. It is metaphosphoric acid or hydrogen phosphonate ion. If we draw the structure of this, it is P double bond O, single bond OH, and here double bond O. This is the structure of metaphosphoric acid. And the last one is H3PO4. It is the phosphoric acid, also known as orthophosphoric acid, is a weak acid. And if we draw the structure of phosphoric acid, it is P single bond OH, and here single bond OH, here single bond OH, and here double bond O. So these are the structures of all these compounds given in the options. So now we will see the compound having pp single bond linkage. So in the first, that is hypophosphoric acid, it is having the pp single bond linkage, as we can see from this structure. So it will be an option. Option second is H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid. It is not having pp linkage, so it will be wrong. Option third is HPO3. It is also not having pp linkage, so it is again wrong. And last option is H3PO4. It is also not having pp bond, as you can see from the structure, so it is again a wrong option. Therefore our correct option will be option 1, that is H4P2O6 is having the pp single bond linkage. Thank you.
Welcome to Doubtnut. In this question ask about the S3PO3 and S3PO4 is the correct option. Here S3PO3. Discuss about the S3PO3. Structure of S3PO3 is like this: P double bonded O. Here it is OH, and here it is OH, and one H is directly attached with the P. Its structure is the here like this. It is the tetrahedral, and it has two OH groups, so it is the dibasic. It is the dibasic acid. And here oxidation state of phosphorus is here its oxidation state, let its oxidation state is X, and hydrogen has +3 and oxygen has -6, because one oxygen has -2 is equal to 0. So its oxidation state is X is equal to it is +3. So phosphorus, maximum oxidation state of phosphorus is, here write down the maximum oxidation state. Maximum oxidation state of phosphorus is +5 and minimum oxidation state of phosphorus is -3. So it is easily oxidize itself, so it is reduced, it is reducing nature, it show reducing nature. So here it is given that the S3PO3 is dibasic and it is reducing in nature. It is the correct statement. So A is the correct statement. Let's discuss about the second B statement. It is say that the S3PO3 is dibasic and it is non-reducing. It is reducing nature because it has show +3 oxidation state which self-oxidize and reduce other. So it is reducing in nature. So it is the not correct option. And let's discuss about the D. Here S3PO3 is tribasic, not it is not tribasic. And let's discuss about the S3PO4. Here discuss about the S3PO4, and here phosphorus is double bonded oxygen and 3 oxygen OH group is attached with the directly attached with the phosphorus. So here it is, its structure is also tetrahedral like this. This is the tetrahedral structure, and it is the tribasic because 3 OH group is present, so it is the tribasic. And here oxidation state of the phosphorus is, let's discuss about the phosphorus oxidation state. 3 + X, its oxidation state, let it is X, -8 is equal to 0. So here X is equal to +5. So it is not reducing nature because it show +5 maximum oxidation state. It can't oxidize itself, and so it is not reducing. So C is also not the correct option. It is tribasic, but it is non-reducing, not the reducing nature. So C is the incorrect statement. Only A is the correct statement. So A is our answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
हेलो एवरीवन, इस क्वेश्चन में अपन को क्या दिया है? पॉलीफॉस्फेट्स आर यूज्ड एज वाटर सॉफ्टनिंग एजेंट्स बिकॉज दे। तो पॉलीफॉस्फेट्स को अपन वाटर सॉफ्टनिंग एजेंट्स की तरह यूज़ में लेते हैं, उसका रीज़न क्या है? तो इसमें ऑप्शन 1 दे रखा है, फॉर्म सोल्यूबल कॉम्प्लेक्स विद एनाइनिक स्पीशीज, प्रेसिपिटेट्स एनाइनिक स्पीशीज, फॉर्म सोल्यूबल कॉम्प्लेक्स विद कैटाइनिक स्पीशीज, प्रेसिपिटेट कैटाइनिक स्पीशीज। अब अपन को पता है पॉलीफॉस्फेट्स को अपन यूज़ इसलिए करते हैं ताकि वो जो कैल्शियम सल्फेट और मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट की इम्प्योरिटीज हो उनको रिमूव करते हैं। सबसे पहले तो अपन को ये पॉइंट पता होता है कि कैल्शियम सल्फेट एंड मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट की इम्प्योरिटीज हो, ठीक है। और वो रिमूव कैसे करते हैं उसका अपन देखते हैं रिएक्शन लिख के। तो रिएक्शन हो जाएगी इसमें कैल्शियम सल्फेट CaSO4 प्लस Na2 Na4 PO3 इसका 6, ये रिएक्ट करके क्या बनाता है? Na2 Ca2 PO3 होल 6 प्लस Na2 SO4, ये रिएक्शन बना देता है। ऐसे सिमिलरली मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट की रिएक्शन होती है, Na2 Na4 PO3 6, तो ये बना लेगा Na2, मैग्नीशियम रिप्लेस कर देगा इसको सोडियम को, मैग्नीशियम Mg2 PO3 होल 6 और Na2 SO4। रिएक्शन को अपन बैलेंस कर सकते हैं। जैसे इसको रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करना है तो कैल्शियम कितने 2 है उधर, तो इधर 2 लगा दिए, सल्फेट 2 हो गए तो इधर 2 इसको लिख दिया, तो अब बैलेंस हो गई इक्वेशन। ऐसे इसको अगर बैलेंस करना है तो मैग्नीशियम उधर 2 है और यहाँ फिर सोडियम 4 हो जाएंगे। सोडियम कितने, सोडियम Na2 2, इधर Na2 2 है, 2 और 4 6, बट इधर 4 है तो इसको 6 कर देंगे, ये हो गया। सल्फेट भी बैलेंस हो गया। तो अपन ने क्या किया कि कॉम्प्लेक्स बना लिए, देखो कॉम्प्लेक्स बना लिए, और कौन सी स्पीशीज़ के साथ बनाया, कैटायनिक स्पीशीज़ के साथ बनाया। Na+ जो है, Na+ था जो, उसके साथ बनाया। तो आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा इसके लिए अपना, इसके लिए आंसर हो जाएगा अपना फॉर्म सोल्यूबल कॉम्प्लेक्स विद कैटायनिक स्पीशीज, तो ये अपना आंसर हो जाएगा।
Hello everyone, the question asked is the number of SS bonds in sulfur trioxide trimer, that is S3O9. So this is the diagram of S3O9, right? Question is number of SS bonds. By seeing this diagram, we can say there are 0 SS bonds. So there are 0 SS bond in sulfur trioxide trimer. So our answer is 0. Answer.